Hello, boys and girls. Today, I'm going to demonstrate how to play Mexican baseball. Okay? You get one baseball, this ordinary baseball, but Walmart, or how much did I buy it for? 50 cents, right? Oh. You make a video? Shush. I'm going to bring my lawyer. I'm going to sue you. Okay, look, I got a shovel and I got a baseball. I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna hit this bitch far up. I'm gonna make this bitch land in New Mexico. Not Mexico, New Mexico. That's where I come from. Okay? Chico, call the on. Alright.
Better not hit your gun.
I'm gonna hit this motherfucker right here.
Go.
Oh! Look at that bitch!